This video follows Stella, who's navigating an e-commerce website, Amazon, to purchase a Ninja air fryer. Let's break down the journey. The video starts with a search for kitchen, showing various kitchen items, including a Kitchen Mama Mini plus rechargeable electric can opener and a Ninja air fryer. She selects the Ninja air fryer, which is listed as an overall pick and boasts a 4.7-star rating with over 6,000 recent purchases. The air fryer is currently on a limited-time deal, priced at $89.99, a 31% discount from its original price of $129.99. The delivery date is estimated for Thursday, July 31st. She then adds 2 of the Ninja air fryers to their cart, bringing the subtotal to $179.98. They proceed to the checkout process. Next, she is prompted to add ID for customs clearance, as required by Nigerian regulations for shipping. Her name and address are pre-filled. She initially tries to add a new ID, but then opts to skip for now, noting that providing ID within 48 hours is necessary to avoid delays or cancellation. Finally, she is taken to the payment method selection screen. Her MasterCard ending in 6970 is listed, but it appears to be expired as of January 2023. Other payment options like Affirm and Synchrony are shown but are ineligible for this order. She is then given options to add a credit or debit card or add a personal checking account to complete their purchase. She then proceeds to pay for the air fryer.